Hey everybody, it's Dan. Today I'm going to be working on my shop. We're going to be building a pump panel enclosure off a Ward LaFrance fire engine. It came off of one of the vehicles that I work at my full-time job as a fireman. This is for a former coworker of mine. He's able to obtain it before they send it to the junkyard. For the assembly, instead of doing a bent glue lamination, I opted to use the CNC to cut out little templates. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Got 7 layers. They're just shy of 3/4 that I'm going to glue and brad into place. As you can see, this is the back. We had to make sure we kept about a 7/8 overhang here all the way around, so you can still install the gauges that were originally on here. Alright, it's been a couple days since I last worked on it. I sanded everything smooth, and then we sprayed our adhesive on it, and then put a veneer on it. Grain's going this way, so it's easier to make that curve, and it will bend a lot easier. Turned out well. It flush trimmed it with the router. So a goal for today is to throw some Bondo here to meet the seams, sand it smooth, and then I'm going to be priming everything. Piece, it's all done and painted. I attached this to the whole unit using insert nuts and stainless steel screws that will match this. Paint turned pretty good. I got an open back here. If he wants, I can make him a cover for the back. Other than that, we're keeping it open for this present time. It turned out pretty good. Sorry for some missing footage. I had some issues with my computer and my GoPro. Other than that, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Other than that, have a good day.